this neighborhood. Beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Please be mine. Welcome back, Home Warrior Nation. I'm Mr. M, and welcome to another edition of Physical Education at Home, where today we're going to be focusing on cardiovascular fitness. That's right, it's another dance challenge. So for today's challenge, we're going to be dancing to the song Waving Flag. As you can tell, I'm repping two flags because I'm Guatemalan born and I'm American made. So get ready to rep your flags. Now, remember that as we begin to do the tutorial, we want to always remind you when it comes to cardiovascular fitness that you are doing 20 minutes of non-stop movement. All right, and that could be running, jumping, dancing, running around your house, or get your parents' permission. But either way, we want you to make sure that you're getting your heart to beat faster so it becomes stronger and stays healthy. Now, as we get ready for a new dance challenge, like always, you have to ask yourself the question, are you ready to become the dance champion of your house? And if you are, then come on, let's go, let's get it. Okay, boys and girls, so it is time for a dance tutorial. But as you can see, I need to get into my dancing gear. So, you know what time it is. It is that time where we remind ourselves to face our fears, overcome obstacles, and that hard work always leads to victory. It is time for warrior mode. So come on, let's go. That's better. Okay, boys and girls, so for this dance, you're going to need two small, whether they're bandanas, scarves, anything you can find around your house, basically, just so we can wave them around like flags. But either way, boys and girls, I'm actually going to take you through the tutorial pretty fast because the steps are pretty repetitive. I just want you to have a good sense of what to do, and then you can follow me to the dance by hitting the link below, and then we'll start the challenge. So, I'm going to take you to the tutorial right now. So let's get ready. Let's go. Okay, boys and girls, in order to speed things up, I'm going to narrate the steps for you. So, part one, we begin in a squat position. As the song begins, we begin to move up, and then we're going to go up and then to the sides. We're going to pause. And when you hear the drums, you're going to go into a drum solo, and then you're going to go hit to the side. You're doing the same thing again when the drums start, to the side. Drums start again and to the side. And from there, you're going to start waving the flags. And now, that's pretty much part one. So that's pretty simple. Now let's move to part two. In this case, you're going to hear me say sky, middle, or rainbow. Always a count of four. When I say sky, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, but then you're also going to do it to the other side. Then you go to middle, and then you do a count of 4, and then to the other side. Then when I say rainbow, you're going to throw the flags up, go into squat position 4, and you do the same thing. From there, you're going to go into what's called a stomp with one foot, boom, stomp with the other foot, boom, and then I'm going to say matrix. You're going to go as far back as you can, and you're going to reverse that same move. Then you're going to turn, and you're going to reverse. Once again, you're going to spin, and you're going to reverse, and you're going to do this a couple of times. And that pretty much will be the end of part 2 of this dance. Okay, then the next main part, part 3, you're actually going to come forward. Make sure you take short steps. As you're taking them, you're crisscrossing the flags. Now I'm telling you to take small steps because I don't know how much space you have to work with. So make sure you're taking small steps. You're going forward, then you're going to go back. So then you're going to go back, and you just follow the song because the song will tell you when to go forward and when to go back. That's pretty much all the moves, and they kind of keep repeating themselves throughout the song. Okay, boys. Now, there's just 2 more things I have to show you. Sometimes when I'm waving the flag, I'm going to go from 2 hands to 1 hand, so pay attention to that. And then I'm going to go back to 2. So be aware that I do that a couple of times through the song, okay? So make sure you're paying attention and you do the same thing. Now, for a big finish, the way we're going to wrap things up. When the song begins to slow down, we're actually going to be standing up. We're going to begin doing how we started, but in reverse. We're going to start going back down, stay there. We don't stop moving, and then we go back up again. As the song changes beat, we're gonna start swaying from side to side, side to side. And when the time comes at the end, I want you to throw those flags in the air and give me the best woo that you can. And that's it, boys and girls. That's pretty much the whole song. Okay, boys and girls, so you've seen the dance moves, and now you are ready for the challenge. You are ready for the waving flag challenge. So hit the link below, and let's go get it. Come on, let's go.